ZANU-PF is accelerating plans to amend the constitution to extend President Idi Mnangagwa Zulu beyond 2028, a move that has heightened tensions within the ruling party and reviving coup fears linked to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga faction. Sambena mashuka taunti vakomana panguva inoi zvazvakuzikanwa nyika yese kuti aiwa vawirirana takuchinja constitution takuiamenda zvatakuona kuti another function yaVP Chiwenga iri kuzviresista ichizviramba mazvakuona kuti aiwa zvakusignal coup aibva subscribe like out on the bell icon tipina panapa pahendo izimutambudanyira chiti the latest developments come in a wake of a meeting held at Mnangagwa Sikwekwe Farm on Sunday when ZANU-PF legislators and controversial opposition figure Senzo Chabangu, recognized by ZANU-PF as the opposition leader in parliament, endorsed Mnangagwa's ambitions to remain in power until 2030. The push for constitutional amendments have reignited factional struggles in ZANU-PF, particularly with Chiwenga's faction, which has grown increasingly discontent with Mnangagwa's power consolidation. The tensions trace back to a 2017 gentleman's agreement between the two, forged during the coup that ousted Araji Mugabe. Under the deal, Mnangagwa was to serve 2 terms before handing power to Chiwenga. Instead, Mnangagwa systematically marginalized Chiwenga and his military allies. Key figures from Chiwenga's factions, including the late Foreign Minister Sibusiso Moyo and Agricultural Minister Prudence Shiri, have died under suspicious circumstances. Analysts believe the faction could exploit Mnangagwa's 2030 agenda as a pretext to challenge their legitimacy, potentially through force. With the ZANU-PF's history of internal power struggles spilling into national instability, Mnangagwa's push for prolonged rule may plunge Zimbabwe into yet another chapter of political uncertainty and military intervention. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga could not be reached for comment. Tomashukano mudanyoka panapa tiona kuti ava VP Chiwenga panguva inoi vanhu voti aiwa maallies avo atiri kuona kuti ava vakapedzwa vose tiona vakomana avo vakuconsolidata pavo vachiamenda the constitution panapa zvakupa macoup fears tichiona VP Chiwenga vangonyarara pasina kana rimwe chete ravafumura kana ravabufura kana kuvhura muromo wavo. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda comment section medu. Musana kusubscribe or like channel